Welcome to the Institute of Economics and Management Studies. Students, today we are discussing about GST, Goods and Service Tax, an important topic for UGC NET Economics and Commerce students. Today I am giving you some general information about GST. In my next video, we will discuss about the legal aspects of GST. To understand GST, we should first understand tax. Tax is a compulsory payment to government without asking for direct benefit. We cannot ask government for direct benefit. Government can give benefit in the form of public welfare. Tax is of two types: direct tax and indirect tax. Indirect tax, GST. Today we will focus only on indirect tax, that is GST. GST is a regressive tax, means ultimate consumer will pay its burden. The concept of GST is one nation, one tax, means country is bound in one tax structure only. Vijay Kelkar committee first suggested GST in India. GST was announced in 2000 but was implemented in 1st July 2017. France was the first country to adopt GST. GST has 17 indirect taxes and 23 surcharges, types CGST, SGST, and IGST. GST has 20 sections, 12 articles, and one schedule 7. This in detail we'll study in our next video, legal aspects of GST. GST has 35 Act, CGST 1 Act, SGST 31 Act, UTGST 1 Act, IGST 1 Act, Compensation 1 Act. Compensation is for superior products or high value products. GST come under Article 279A Amendment Act 121 of Constitution. Asim Das Gupta was the first to draft GST bill in our country. GST have a different slab: 5%, 12%, 18%, 28% depending upon the product. It is called constitutional bill. GST is levied on producer, wholesaler, retailer and consumer. It is also called harmonized system of nomenclature used to classify goods. Thank you.